Today, we're diving into the XPG Invader mid-tower brushed aluminum PC case, an offering from Adata that promises to elevate your gaming setup to new heights. With its sleek black aluminum exterior, this case exudes a premium feel right out of the box. But aesthetics are just the beginning. Equipped with two 120mm fans, the XPG Invader ensures optimal airflow to keep your components cool during intense gaming sessions. The addition of front ARGB downlighting, coupled with an ARGB controller, allows for customizable lighting effects that can sync with the rest of your setup, adding a dynamic visual flair. One of the standout features of this case is its versatility. Thanks to its mid-tower form factor and ample interior space, it accommodates a wide range of components, making it suitable for both gaming enthusiasts and PC builders alike. Whether you're installing high-end graphics cards or multiple storage drives, the XPG Invader has you covered. Installation is a breeze, with tool-free design elements making the process smooth and hassle-free. Cable management is also a priority, with ample routing options and tie-down points ensuring a clean and tidy interior, which not only improves airflow but also enhances the overall aesthetics of your build. In terms of cooling, the XPG Invader primarily relies on air cooling, which should suffice for most gaming setups. However, if you're looking for more advanced cooling solutions like liquid cooling, you might need to explore additional options. Overall, the XPG Invader mid-tower brushed aluminum PC case offers a winning combination of style, performance, and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or a first-time builder, this case provides everything you need to create the ultimate gaming setup. So, if you're in the market for a new PC case that ticks all the boxes, look no further than the XPG Invader. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.